if your computer, like a Surface Book, has an HDMI, mini HDMI, you can buy one of these cables right here. If it's a regular HDMI, you could just plug this device right here straight into your HDMI, your computer's HDMI. That way you can use it in Nreal with your laptop. In my case, I have the Surface Book, the older generation that uses the the mini HDMI display port. So this device allows me to use, these two devices allows me to use my Nreal with my laptop. I just wanted to add that real quick. And also, you can always use your Nreal glasses, your cell phone, and put it on a wireless charger. Wireless charging is not that fast when you're using your phone at the same time, and also your phone has to stay in place. You can't really move around, but it is always an option. I just wanted to put it out real quick. Thank you. Bye.